Hi, my name is Farmer Cozette with Wasatch Community Gardens. This week in summer camp, we are talking about the Great Breakdown, which is all about soil particles and decomposers. So I want to share with you a quick and easy snack to reiterate all the things that we're learning this week. We are going to make the Great Breakdown cups, and these are basically soil cups. So we are going to use a combination of materials from our pantry. Get creative with this. I'll show you what I use and think about the things that you could use that are in your own house. So we are going to make layers of gravel and sand, silt, and clay. And then we're going to put some decomposers on top. So I'm going to start with my plastic cup. And for my sand layer, I'm going to use flax and hemp seeds. This might not be something you have at home, but granola would work really good for this layer as well. So I'm just going to fill a little bit there in the bottom of my cup and put those aside. Now for the really yummy part, we're going to make our soil layer, which I am going to use plain yogurt and mix a little bit of peanut butter and Nutella in with it to make it look like dirt. Now you might have yogurt at home or pudding. Again, you can get creative with this layer. Maybe you even just want to put a little peanut butter in there. Yogurt's a really healthy snack, so I wanted to do that with a little bit of peanut butter. Take a nice big scoop of peanut butter. Put it in with our yogurt. Then I'm also going to add just a little Nutella because I think it gives it a better dirt look. And I love Nutella. Once you have your dirt components, you're going to want to mix them all together in your bowl. Really good. Let's see what kind of dirt we come up with. Starting to look more like dirt. You might have to stir it really good. You see, I'm getting a nice brown color in here. Okay. So now we're going to add our soil to our cups. Okay. I'm going to jiggle it down a little bit. Get a good, nice layer there. Okay, and then for our top layer, I'm just going to add some chia seeds. Here you could put a layer of peanut butter or Nutella. That really looks a lot more like the clay and top layer of your soil, but because I want a healthy snack, I'm just going to put chia seeds right on top. And then we're going to finish off by putting some more decomposers. If you're lucky enough to get some gummy worms. Got a few yummy snacks here. I also have some trail mix with nuts and raisins and dried fruit. These remind me a lot of some of our favorite decomposers, like roly-polies or slugs. So we're just going to add a few more on top here and a few nuts. Look like our worms poking out of the top. And there you have it, our decomposition cup, our Great Breakdown. So please share what you come up with. We'd love to hear your recipes. Take out your recipe card and write down what you end up using and share it with us. We'd love to hear from you. And I hope it tastes like dirt. Yum.